verify the payload and the Swix headers and say as a webhook event. And if it gets validated, we'll just return that. But if it doesn't get verified, an error will be thrown and we'll say console.error clerk webhook request could not be verified. And we'll just return. So we have the validation of the payload. So we'll come back to our handle clerk webhook function over here. We want to say if there is no event, then return a new response and say could not validate clerk payload and say that status is 400. But if there is an event, then we want to see what type of event it is. So we'll say switch event.type, and this is a switch case. So the first case is user.created. In that case, we want to say const user is equal to await ctx.run query. And this will basically allow us to run any query which we have defined in convex. And we did define one. It was in an internal query, internal.user, since that's the file name over here. And the function was called .get, if you remember. So inside we had a function called .get. And of course we need to import internal. So we'll say import internal from /generated/API. So if a user is being created and if a user already exists,